All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited today because it's video day and we are going to learn some easy slow blues licks together. And these are easy on the fingers, but they sound awesome, so let's get right to it. All right, I'm going to bring you in close and really check some of these licks out, but it's a blast playing like this, so let's learn these together. All right, I got you in close. We are going to be playing in the G blues today. 1, 4, 5, so the one chord, G7, C7, and then D7. Real simple slow blues, but you can really get creative with what notes you play, and really the intensity and dynamics of how you play them is so important. So we're going to get right to it, and the first opening thing is just a very, very nice major minor thing. I played it fast, but this can be played slow. This can be played in a fast or slow blues, or even some rock stuff. So, hammering on, right in that. I'm still looking at this as a G minor pentatonic, but using that major note there, the B note, because you can start this progression out real simple, just like that. But I did a quick little thing at the beginning. And I'm doing that a lot with my right hand here, raking like just coming back up to the strings together. And that works so well in the blues. And still looking at it in the G minor pentatonic, but walking down some of these notes in the major. So walking down the minor pentatonic. Kind of an Angus Young kind of lick. And just going to the major note. And you're pulling off to that major note. And I did that in when we went to the D chord also. It sounds real bluesy doing that. Sounds great over the D7th. C7. That sounds complicated, but the notes are so simple. Just riding that G note right there. This is a piece of the G minor pentatonic up here. Then kind of going back to the major note there, the E. Walk right down to the G7, the major note again, the B down here. C7, C9. Still just surrounding that C9 chord. Real common in the blues. Just really, and again, I'm really looking at this as a G minor pentatonic and just adding some notes, you know, within the where the chord tones are. It comes to the C. That E note is the third of the C. When it goes to the D, there's a lot of options. And I went up here in the intro, I believe. And this is such a cool lick to do all over the neck. Just get that bend down. You're trying to get to the D note. And that really sounds bluesy doing that. And it sounds good going to the minor third also. Up to the C again. That lick sounds good all over the neck. I'm doing it a lot right now just to demonstrate how good it sounds, but if you use it sparingly in a slow blues or even a fast blues, it just pops right out and it really gets noticed, and you get back to your minor pentatonic licks. Coming to the C right here. Back to the G. Coming up to the D. G. In the slow blues, and leaving space in between these licks is so good sounding in the blues. And waiting a second before you start another lick. All right, so the three really main things I was showing you today is this little piece of the major. And in the minor pentatonic here, going back to the major. Then this piece of the C. Then going up to the D, this works really well. Riding off of that same major sound of the piece of the D chord here. Piece of the C chord. And all this works good in the octave up here too. All right, that's all I got for you today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. And I'm learning this stuff together right with you. I want to get better at phrasing, better at my timing. So I really encourage you guys, ask questions and give me some more ideas for some of these upcoming videos. And again, thanks for stopping by the channel.